Blessings to you, and thank you for joining me in this session today. You know, as it relates to inspiration, as it relates to being motivated, we've been in a season over the last several years, a phase or even an era of being challenged to know our why. We have been challenged to have a why. But listen, your why will die if there's no how. Your why will die if you don't know how. See, I'm a man of faith, and the scriptures record Jesus as a miracle worker and when he heals a blind man. But listen though, the first touch gives the man his sight. Jesus asked him, do you see anything? And he says, I see men, but they're walking around, they look like trees. He touches him a second time and has him to look around, and now he sees everyone clearly. He went from blindness to sight to clarity. And the process is the same for you and me. We have to go from blindness to sight to clarity. Now, I believe you joined in this session right here today with me because you have already come out of your blindness phase. You're no longer blind to the fact that you can have ownership. You're no longer blind to the fact that you can be in leadership. You're no longer blind to the fact that you can operate in trade and production and greatness and wealth. You've already had your first touch. But the problem is all you have is vision. Vision is powerful. You've done vision casting. You've done vision planning. You have a vision statement. But the problem is not vision. The problem is visibility. That means it's time for the second touch. So even after coming out of blindness, you will still stumble around if what you do see is not clear. Even after coming out of blindness, you will still stumble through life if what you do see still isn't clear. This is what happens when visibility hurts vision. Your vision is your why. Visibility is your how. You have a destination, but the directions aren't clear. You have potential, but the process isn't clear. You have vision, but visibility is limited. Now, three things have happened since you've joined me in this session right here. Number one, you've been educated. Number two, you've been encouraged. And number three, you've been challenged. So I believe that you're ready to open this thing up to a whole nother level. Let's unpack this idea when visibility hurts vision. And join me at the Black CEO Iconic, and also vote for me by texting keyword Darrell, Darrell, to 773-207-3400. Again, text keyword Darrell to 773-207-3400. And I look forward to seeing you at the Black CEO Iconic.